Beautiful morning out here today. Just heading out at my usual spot, chasing some kingfish today. Got the liveys ready in the tank there. The Predator PDL's got the pedal drive little compartment there. Holds the liveys. It's set up for a recycling water tank thing there. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, I've got a few liveys in there and ready to go. Stunning conditions. Alright, first livey goes out. Yep, so I'm going to be trawling these while I'm fishing at about 20 to 30 metres of water today. So I'm going to be trawling these liveys along at about 10 to 15 metre mark in the middle of that water column, and hopefully anything that's cruising past at any depth is going to come into the centre of that water column and be allured to my livey and hopefully smash it, and I'll be on to a bit of excitement. Exciting thing about catching kingfish is that you can go out and trawl liveys around for hours and just see absolutely nothing. You have a lot of quite a few failures. Well, I have anyway. Not everyone seems to, but I definitely do. And you know, when you do get that success, it's going to be intense, and it's going to be really exciting and well worth going through those failures to get to that success. Anyway, let's see how we go. Awesome. Great day. About time. How are you guys going? Oh yeah. Yeah, bro. It's been quiet until now, actually. Oh, feels decent. Oh. Yes, up you come. a mission. Been paddling around for about 3 or 4 hours, and that's the result. Awesome. What a day out here today. Managed to get myself a nice little kingfish. Absolute beauty. 90 cm or something. Yeah, pretty wrapped with that.